So you got a good news today, neither. You got a good news today. What was the good news? Timetable के change करा, neither. Timetable के change करा to the old package itself. Eh? To be honest, when your timetable came, I was a bit shocked. And mama A-level කියන්න, but I was a bit shocked. මේ වගේ timetable එකක් දීලා තියෙනවා නේ කියලා. Okay, but that is also not difficult, හරිද? It's just the point is you have English and general knowledge in the middle. Okay, so you have to choose and you have to plan in a different way than all other batches. Okay, to study chemistry. But other than that, if you think properly, English එක මේ English එක එච්චර පාඩම් කරන්නේ නැන්නේ. General knowledge also you have to put some, you have to get some 16 questions correct. එකට එච්චර පාඩම් කරන්නේ. Then you have, if you think properly, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 days or 5 days for chemistry part 2. හරිද? But no one has planned for it. අපේ අවුරුදු 25 in the 25 years you haven't got a, it's what do you call, timetable like that, so no one knows how to plan for it. Okay, we had that teacher, but now your timetable has changed. Even your physics paper was changed. So normally, how do you prepare? Can I see thumbs up for how many bio students are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 ne? How many math students? And they can explain kind of. There are enough, ne? There are enough math students as well. So let's go through both make. Normally, first of all, we have biology. Okay. You normally have, okay, biology 1 and 2. Biology 1, biology 2. Maybe එක දිගට ඉන්නේ. හරිද? Biology 2. Combined maths කට්ටියට ඉන්නේ pure, break, applied. මේ පැත්ත පේනව නේද? I'll write it as well. මේ diagram එක ඕනේ. Let's see. We have bio 1 and bio 2. හරිද? Math students get like pure, then a break, then applied. හරිද? Then we have 2 gaps. ඊට පස්සේ තමයි physics 1 එක තියෙන්නේ. හරි, මෙයාට එක gap එකයි. හරිද? මෙයාට දෙකයි. හරිද? Now for this, how do you study? For bio students, it is easy. For bio students, not easy. With the plan is the last 5 days you want to study bio. හරිද? ඕන නම් physics MCQ දෙකක් අරගන්නවා. Yeah, physics MCQ දෙකක් කියන්නේ දෙකක් හරි 201. 201 you will do physics MCQ. Okay, two MCQs na kamak na. Prashna CA. If you have time, okay. If you don't have time, you will do 1 physics MCQ. Okay. Then the next day you will be doing 1 chemistry MCQ. Anyway, එක මාරු කරගෙන යනවා. Otherwise, the last 6 days you will be studying bio. You won't touch physics or chemistry books. Maybe short notes. Other than that, you won't touch anything else. Then bio උදේම ඉවරයි. bio උදේම ඉවරයිද? Biology හවසනේ. Okay, after 4 o'clock, you come home and then you go through short notes. Physics short notes මොකක් හරි තියෙනවා නම් ඒක short notes බලාගෙන යනවා. Okay, then okay, these two days, what you're going to do? These 2 days, you're going to go through all the papers, all the mistakes, past papers kin ළඟ එකක් බලනවා ඕනේ නම්. Then 2025 එකත් බලන්න නැති. We can't say, okay, 2025 ඉන්නෙම නැහැ කියලා. 2025 paper won't come not a single question from 2025 paper will not come so what we are going to do is we are going to skim through the 2025 paper. Skim can the question paper, marking scheme, and read through it. Okay. 2024 also same. 2023 cut only otherwise 2022 when you go to 2022 you will be හිතන්න බැරි questions හිතන්න අමාරු questions you will be doing it okay with time okay otherwise if you know that question කටපාඩම් ඒක බලන්න okay you just read through it read කරනවා another thing when you are going through the papers you will figure out you don't understand you can't remember certain parts you can't remember certain parts ඒ වෙලාවෙ මොකද කරන්නේ වැඩිපුර හිතන්න you take your notes go through that part and do the question හරිද නිකන් කියවන්න එපා do the question itself එතකොට හොඳට මතක තියෙනවා then you do it like that for bio students math students now here I said for bio students past 6 days you are doing bio හරිද bio තමයි කරන්නේ okay for math students the last 2 days only you are doing maths okay maths okay otherwise you will be going through a reverse timetable කියන්නේ මොකක්ද මෙතන maths එක ඊට පස්සේ physics ඊට පස්සේ chemistry හරිද ඒ reverse එක මේකෙම reverse එක අර පැත්තේ තියෙන්න ඕනේ පාඩම් කරන්න okay නේද for bio students may before the 6 days there should be a reverse එකනේ මේකේ එහෙම අනිත් පැත්තේ අර පැත්තේ තියෙන්න ඕනේ okay me 2 days so you will be going through this you are coming half a day from here okay and then now bio students studied physics 8 days ago okay math students studied 4 days ago taking advantage advantage because this is physics okay so what can we do here you don't have that much revision as bio student මෙතන තියෙන revision එක math students to ඕනේ math students can revise here maybe do 1 or 2 MCQs start the MCQs here and then මෙතනත් ප්‍රශ්න කරනවා same way do it and then we are writing physics part 1 paper physics part 1 paper આવම this is Friday okay Saturday Sunday Monday we are physics part 2 නේද physics part 2 හරිද now මේකේ ගොඩාක් videos දානවා physics එක දානවා physics පාඩම් ගන්න chemistry voice notes chemistry එක දානවා chemistry පාඩම් කරන එක what do we do එක්කෙනෙක් කියන්න බලන්න someone tell what do we do we do මේ මොකද්ද වෙලාව තියෙනවනේ yes we do chemistry කිය හරිද මම physics එක කියනවා chemistry කරන්න කියලා okay chemistry කරන්න chemistry you are not going to go through the paper you are going to go through all the short notes inorganic short notes organic short notes industrial short notes හැමදේම මෙතන යනවා මේ physics part 1 ඉවර වෙලා ආවිලා okay ඒකට physics අමතක කරන්න එපා but also that is refreshing because physics part 1 paper is a bit hard හරිද ඔයාලට hard නෙමෙයි හැම එක්කෙනාටම hard හරිද I'm not talking for your batch for every batch it is somewhat hard part 1 එක so what you do is after the exam you are not going to touch the physics book chemistry එක එහෙම කරගෙන යනවා so then you will get relaxed හරිද next day yeah 2 days නේ and it is only 80 හරිද මෙතන part 1 විතරක් revision කරා නම් ඇති part 2 ඕනේ part 1 revision only here okay then part 2 here you have 2 full days you are going to go through full revision part 2 එකේ full revision එකක් යනවා මේ පුළුවන් නම් if you had time chemistry ඉවර වෙලා time තිබුණා නම් practicals බලනවා මේක ටියුට්ස් ටික බලනවා මගේ ටියුට්ස් ටික බැලුවත් හරි short notes කාගේ හරි බැලුවත් හරි practicals ටික බලන්න because for essay there is much more than practicals මෙතනත් බලාගත්ත කමක් නැහැ doesn't matter you have to somehow finish do the practicals practical 40න් බලන්න බෑනේ so you go through the practicals and all the essays there are some different essays matter and radiation there are some hard essays as well ඒ ඔක්කොම හදලා බලනවා හදලම බලන්න ඕනේ එතන මේම කරනවා then you are coming to physics part 2 physics part 2 එක ලියුවා okay තව දෙයක් තියෙනවා bio වලට නෑ මෙයාට තියෙන්නේ නෑ මෙයාටත් නෑ pure and applied completely different bio එක පොඩි දෙයක් තියෙයි when you are revising again you will think අනේ bio part 1 එකේ අරකේ වැරදිනේ එහෙම හිතෙනවා you can just forget it and go to the you just forget it හරිද මේක ඉච්චර අවුලක් නෑ because you only have one afternoon to study about it you understand it here you have 2.5 days මේ 2.5 days එකේ part 1 එකේ මේ miss වෙච්ච හැමදේම උඩට එනවා okay it happens okay whatever you do because you are doing a thorough revision here part 2 එකේ කරපු ඔක්කොම මතක එනවා මේ part 1 එකේ so what shall we do හරි ඒක වැරදි I am losing 1 mark in the MCQ හරිද I am gaining another mark in essay කියලා තව වැඩ කරනවා ඔන්න අර confidence එක තමයි වැඩ කරන්නේ හරි එකක් ගියානේ කියලා කියන won't happen මේකේ මිස් වෙච්ච එක මෙතන ගන්නවා එළම කරගෙන මේ හිතලා ප්‍රැක්ටිස් කරලා යන්න ඕනේ then this is part 2 ඉවරයිනේ part 2 ඉවරයි then you have a gap chem part 1 chemistry part 1 හරිද that what you do is හරිද දැන් මෙතන short notes ටික බලවන්නේ අවුලක් නැහැ ඒ නිසා චුට්ටක් shape වෙලා it will be a bit okay for you here okay because you already did some chemistry here නැත්තම් if you don't do this chemistry here let's see okay 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 okay for bio student 14 days ago you studied chemistry හරිද when you were doing term test හරිද 14 days sports meet කියලා අපහැරියනවා chemistry ආයේ ඔලුවට එනවද නෑ chemistry ආයේ එන්නෙම නෑ it will be so difficult to recover in chemistry ඒකමයි මෙතන වෙන්නේ මේක කරේ නැත්තම් okay it will be hard to recover here okay so what we are doing chemistry MCQs just going through MCQs all the MCQ short notes and everything okay then after that then you have chemistry part 2 you are relaxed you only have one more lesson left chemistry part 2 හැමදේම බලාගෙන යනවා okay chemistry part 2 practicals වල guess එහෙම කියන්න බෑනේ guess කියන්න බෑනේ chemistry part 2 you're going to do everything then what you call go through everything you're going to do and then write in the chemistry part 2 paper හරිද that's it end of the story හරිද මෙතන planning එක තමයි කට්ටිය අවුල් කරගන්නේ මේ physics part 2 ඉඳලා from bio part 2 to physics part 2 මේ planning එක අවුල් කරගත්තා නම් මෙයා ඉන්නේ හරිද I know one of my friends not one 1 2 3 4 I can count countable amounts and not a lot of people countable amounts okay මේ pure paper එක අපේ අමාරු කියලා applied එකේ shape එක ලිව්වා හැබැයි shape එක ලිව්වට applied එකත් අමාරුයි these two papers are hard I'll give one example he got the same marks as me he could have got 3 years but BCC BCC B ගත්ත එකන මෙතන B ගන්න බැරි වුණා B හරි A හරි ගන්න බැරි වුණා that is your confidence and mentality okay මෙතන confidence එක හදාගත්තා නම් හරිද after මේ this confidence එක තිබ්බා නම් you can do these two without any problem ඕකේ ආට දැන් ෆිසික්ස් එකේ පොඩි අවුලක් එනවා. ඒ කන්ෆිඩන්ස් එක නැති වුණා නම් කෙමිස්ට්‍රි එක යනවා. හැබැයි කෙමිස්ට්‍රි කරනකොට කන්ෆිඩන්ස් ගියලා කියලා එහෙම කට්ටිය නැහැ. ෆිසික්ස් එකේ කෙමිස්ට්‍රි එකේ කන්ෆිඩන්ස් ගියා කියලා කට්ටිය නැහැ. ඕකේ මේ the confidence යන තැන this part bio and මේ pure applications එතනින් තමයි confidence යන්නේ. මෙතන ගිහිල්ලා මෙච්චර කරන්නේ තව papers දෙකයි නේ කියලා ලියනවා. හරියට ලියනවා. හරිද? here if you miss මේ ඔක්කොම කෙලව ගන්න. okay so that is the good thing about your timetable.